What's up friends, Raju here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can make money with CPA Grip providing dating guides. Do you interested to make money with CPA Grip and CPA marketing? If yes, then complete this tutorial. I will show you step by step everything, and applying this method you can make $50 to $70 per day, and it's 100% free and it's 100% beginner friendly. In this tutorial I will show you two free traffic sources that will help you to make money on CPA Grip. So guys, if you're really interested, then complete this tutorial, and after completing this tutorial, if you think it's perfect, then like this video, and if you have any question, then comment in the comment box. Now let's see why this tutorial is recommended. You can make money on CPA Grip, then you can earn $50 to $70 per day on CPA Grip. It's 100% free and 100% beginner friendly method, and you will get two free traffic sources inside this tutorial, and you will get quick results. You don't need to wait for getting a result. No hidden charges to apply this method, and no software or apps needed to apply this method. So guys, if you're really interested to make money with CPA marketing, to make money on CPA Grip, then complete this tutorial and love all the method. Now let me introduce myself first. I'm Raju Bhadro. I'm an affiliate marketer over 9 years. I'm working here, and if you first time visit my YouTube channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to be the first viewer all of my new videos, new updates inside my YouTube channel. A lot of money making opportunities here, and you never be disappointed to subscribe my YouTube channel. Now let's see how you can provide dating, love, relation and dating related guides and earn money on CPA Grips. Step by step I will show you everything. So if you are a newbie, if you are an expert, it doesn't matter, anyone can apply this simple method and earns money on CPA Grip. And I will show you two traffic sources here that will provide traffic and earn CPA commissions. Now, and you see here 10 income increasing bonuses inside my video description. If you want to grab these 10 income increasing bonuses for free, then check my video description and grab it. Bonus number 1, affiliate marketing success tips, then traffic machine, the fail proof clickbank mindset, CPA king, Amazon king, video marketing hack, then 100 advertising tips, fast freelancing funds, social media hero, and finally 1000 subscribers in 30 days. It's all the 10 income increasing bonuses you will get inside my video description. And if you want to join my personal training program, my real life case study, you can check my video description and join my personal training program. I will show you to make money on CPA, ClickBank, JPJ and Warrior Plus, and you will get my real life case study here, and you will get 3 packages here. One is basic for 10, another is standard for 25, another is premium for 50. So guys, if you're really interested to learn more about affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, and want to make money with affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, then join my real life case study and start your journey, and you can make $2000 per month applying these tips and tricks inside my training area, and you will get inside this video description. Now I will show you how you can promote CPA offers and earn CPA money. At the first, for applying this method, at the first you have to go this site freeplrdownloads.com. Okay, and you have to find out love, relation and dating related guide. Okay, and it's 100% free. It's a PLR product, so no copyright here, and you can download all the guides for 100% free. And you have to find out, you see here, dating, and you have to find out dating related guideline. Okay, you see here all the dating related guides here. 5 steps to online dating success, speed dating PLR articles pack, then dating PLR. You will get a lot of products here. Then I recommend you to download 5, 6, 7 PDFs here, and you have to provide this guideline to earn money on CPA Grip. And let's see how can I do it. Okay, you can open any of the video, any of the guidelines here. Okay, I want to add 5 guidelines here. You see, how to date any girl. Okay, just go the below and simply click the download button and download this PDF and download this image. Okay, save image and download this PDF guide. Okay, at the first, how to date any girl. Okay, it's on. It's not mandatory to follow all these 5 guides here. You can download any of the 5, 6 or 3, 2, 4, any on as you wish. 5 steps to online dating success. Just simply save the image and download this PDF guide. Okay, then dating do's and don't. Okay, save the image and download it. Okay, then perfect first date. Save the image and download it for free. Then cyber love. Okay, download it and save the image. Okay, now after downloading these 5 PDF and 5 images, your next step, go here. Okay, you will get this type of guideline here. Cyber love, you see here, break this zip file first. Then you will get this PDF guide. Okay, inside this folder you will get this PDF guide. Okay, you see here this PDF guide. Now you have to make a folder to add all these 5 guides. It's my folder dating and relationship, and I want to add this guide to here. You see here all these 5 steps to online dating success, cyber love, dating do's or don't, how to date any girl, perfect first date. Okay, it's all these 5 guides. I want to provide this guide to earn money on CPA Grip. Okay, it's my folder. Then you have to go Drive Google. Okay, simply go here, drive.google. Just log in any Gmail account and use this drive.google. Okay, now click here the new and you have to upload a folder. It's a folder, so you have to upload a folder. Okay, then you see here dating and relationship. Open this folder, choose this folder, then upload this folder right now. Okay, upload this folder. It's uploading. Okay, you see here it's this guide. Okay, this is this guide. Okay, this is this guide. Now I have to collect this folder link. Okay, get the link. You see here get link. Just click here and then get link. See here it's restricted. Follow this. It's restricted, but you have to make it public. Okay, anyone can download this guideline. Okay, make it anyone with the link. Okay, it's public right now. Now you have to use this link. Simply copy this link and you have to use this link inside CPA Grip. And how you can use this link inside CPA Grip, let's see it. Go here on CPA Grip. If you don't have any CPA Grip account, then create account on CPA Grip, and it's simple to create account on CPA Grip and open for all over the world. Then you see here some of my testing results here. Then go here monetization tools and URL or file locker. Then simply create your new URL lockers. Okay, then I agree to the term of service click here, then continue. Okay, now you have to log this Google Drive link here. Okay, at the first you can put the URL or file locker name, dating niche. Okay, it's not mandatory for anything. Then download free. You see here it's the button text, free download here. Okay, now here's the written complete a survey below to continue. Complete a simple survey to get 5 love relationships and dating guideline. You see here, complete a simple survey below to get 5 love relationships and dating guideline. Okay, if you want to add any images here, then you can simply add any of the image. Suppose I want to add this image, this I will love this image. Just simply copy the image address, then go here again and simply click here the insert image, then put the image address and click the submit. You see here, this is this image, and you see here free download here. Now you have to log your URL, and it's your Google Drive URL. Just simply copy this URL, then go here and log this URL. Okay, fine. And access time, it's important. Access time, a lot of people lost their access time, and after 24 hours your link, your locker will be not accessible. For this reason you have to go here and make it forever, or make it 1 year, 6 months, as you wish, but I recommend you to make it forever. Okay, fine. Then after completion this resource, this 5 guideline, okay, guideline will be unlocked. Okay, after completion this survey, 5 guidelines will be unlocked. Okay, fine. Okay, now if I want to see the preview, you can refresh and preview it. Okay, you see here, if you wish you can change the color. Simple survey, I want to change the color. You see here, that's color option, you see. Then get 5 love relation and dating related guides, I want to change the color it. Okay, even I want to italic it. You see here, everything will be changeable. Then log your URL, Google Drive URL, and make it forever. And if you wish, you can change anything here. Okay, anything here. Now click the save button. Your task almost done, but I always remind it, if you want to promote any CPA offers, if you want to promote any affiliate offers, don't use direct affiliate link, direct CPA affiliate link. For this reason, I always recommend you to build a landing page for safely journey. Okay, and I will show you how you can build a free landing page using this affiliate link. And you have to promote this link. You see here, this dating niche, now get link, and you have to promote this link, but don't use directly this link in any traffic sources. Then your link can be flagged, your message, your post can be deleted. And for this reason, for be safe, you have to build a landing page. Now I will show you how you can build a landing page within 2 or 3 minutes. Just 2 or 3 minutes needed to build a landing page. Okay, I will show you right now how you can build a landing page to promote this offer. Okay, but before this, if you first time inside my YouTube channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to be the first viewer all of my new videos, new updates inside my YouTube channel. A lot of money making opportunities here. You see here a lot of money making opportunities, and inside my YouTube channel I try to cover ClickBank method, Zebizu method, Warrior Plus method, CPA method, free traffic, paid traffic, everything, high ticket offers, everything you will get inside my YouTube channel. So you never be disappointed to subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you want to grab these 10 income increasing bonuses for free, then check my video description. Okay, and if you want to join my personal training program, my real life case study, and want to make over $2,000 per month by affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, you can easily check my video description and join any of the training program here, and you will get everything about my training program. If you check, then you can learn everything here. Now let's see how you can build a landing page for free. Okay, simply visit this site systemi.io. It's 100% free. And how you can build a attention grabbing landing page for free. And for this I made this tutorial how you can use this systemi.io to build a free landing page. If you wish, you can watch this tutorial. It's opt-in page. Okay, you see here systemi.io, and in this tutorial I will show you how you can build a landing page for 100% free. Okay.
Aposto que você tem uma ideia de negócio digital. Todo mundo tem ou já teve uma ideia fenomenal.
Fine. Okay. Now in this tutorial, right now I will show you how I can build my landing page for promoting this, for providing this lab relation and dating guides to earn money, earn CPA profits on CPA Grip. Okay, I recommend you to watch this tutorial inside my video description. You will get this link how to build attractive landing page for free, and just watch this tutorial and learn how you can build a attractive landing page. Okay, fine. Now at the first, sign up here for free, then go the funnel section. Okay, and you can create your funnel here. Just simply click the create button and create your funnels here. Okay, and you see here I build this simple landing page here. Just 2 or 3 minutes needed, to highest 5 minutes needed to build this type of landing page. Are you interested in love, dating and relationship? And it's a text. You see here I added this text here and I write just simple text. It's another text. Useful tips to find your life partner, 5 exclusive books here. You see, and all these 5 books images here, all these 4 books images, just simply added the image. How you can add image here? Just simply drag and drop your image option and just select the image. Okay, just select the image. Okay, from your computer you can select all the images that you choose to provide this dating and love. Okay, you see here this another image, and you can resize the images as you wish. Okay, by this way you can add all the images. Even if you wish, you can add a text here. Then inside the text you can add the PDF name. Okay, number on cyber love. Okay, you see here this cyber love. Okay, now if you wish you can enlarge the font size. If you wish you can bold it. Even you can change the color. I want to change the color. Okay, simply. Then if you wish, perfect first date. Okay, another text just added here. Perfect first date. Okay, enlarge this image, then bold it, change the color. Everything is under control. Okay, just simply you can add all the 5 images here. Then time to time you have to save the changes. Okay, Fine. Then you see here it's another button. Okay, it's a button. Are you ready to grab 5 love dating and relationship guidelines? Okay, I want to add another button and add my call to action. Okay, another button, add another button here. Okay, now I want to write this button, download 5 free guidelines now. Okay, you see here subtext. I want to remove this subtext. Okay, here's the subtext. I want to remove it. Then if you wish, you can enlarge this button margin. Okay, everything is under control. If you check this tutorial, then you can learn everything about it. Then I want to change the font. Okay, you see here. Now you have to add your CPA Grip affiliate link here. Okay, go CPA Grip, go to CPA Grip here simply, then copy this link, then go here again inside the system.io, and you have to add your CPA Grip link here. Go here, and you see here 4 options. Now choose this open URL and paste your URL here. That's it. Now click the save changes. And if you want to preview this landing page here, you see here, this is your landing page. Okay, and you can add these 3 names here like this one, like on or two. You can add 3, 4, 5, all this. Then are you ready to grab 5 love dating and relationship guideline? Then download free guidelines now. If anyone click this download 5, you see here. Okay, complete a simple survey below to get 5, download here. Okay, and when they click the download here, they have to fill up a survey, completing a survey, and you can earn money on CPA Grip. That's it. Now how you can promote this landing page, it's the most important thing, and I will show you 2 free traffic sources for promoting this landing page and get traffic to earn CPA profits. Okay, how you can get these 2 traffic sources here. At the first, click the exceptions and go here, and it's your landing page link. Okay, it's your landing page link. Okay, now or for the traffic, and it's the most important part. If you have traffic, then you can earn money, otherwise not possible. So guys, you have to focus on the traffic part right now. And if you want to join my training program, I mainly focused on the traffic part. Inside you see here, if you check the standard package, then you see here the king of traffic, top 10 traffic sources, free and paid, both you will get here for affiliate marketing and CPA marketing. And the basic training area, I will provide you 3 CPA method, and most of the tips and tricks all related about traffic. So you have to focus on traffic to earn money on CPA marketing, affiliate marketing. Okay, now how you can get traffic, and 2 free traffic sources here. At the first, tagged.com. Okay, you see here, visit this tagged.com. Go here, and at the first you have to join here. Over million people here, so a lot of people, and all are related with love, relation and dating related people. It's perfect for promoting here this love, relation and dating related offers. Okay, at the first, put your name here, then email address, password, your city, then the date of birth, you are a female or male, and finally sign up here, and they will provide a confirmation code, and you have to submit the code to active your account. After that, you can sign in here. You see here, Okay, after that you have to sign in your account, and it's my account. Then you have to go here. You will get all the peoples here. You can check everything, every options here, but for this method you have to go here, the browse section. Okay, go the browse section. Okay, it's fine, go the browse section and go here the filter section. Okay, and if you wish you can edit everything. If you want to choose the female guys, then choose the female. If you want to choose the male guys, then male. Then age, if you wish you can select the age here. Okay, then the age. Okay, then the country, and I always prefer to promote United States guy for CP offers. Then go here, update filters, and you will get all the targeted people, all the super targeted active people. This one is active, 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 active. Everyone, almost everyone is active here, and a lot of people here, a lot of people here, a lot of people here. It's a popular social media platform. If you check it, how much people visit this social media platform per month, then simply check here. You see here over 22 million people visit this site, and average visit duration 11 minutes. It's huge. Now you have to use this guy, use these people, use this customer to provide your love relation and dating related guide and earn CPA profits. Okay, now simply choose any of the guy, open this guy. Okay, and sometimes you will see some is private account. If you see this private account, then cast this guy. You don't need to use this guy. Okay, and you see here it's a private it's a public account, and simply click the send message. Okay, simply click the send message and write your message here. Okay, you can write message here. Are you interested in? Okay, and a message template will be provided. I will inside my video description. Okay, a perfect message template for showing this. I just copy this portion. Okay, are you interested in love, dating, and relationships? Useful tips to find your life partner. Okay, then you see here it's send this message, but I want to write this message from here. Okay, a text document. Okay, I want to cut it again. A text document, and it's the font problem, so I want to get it from here. And are you interested in love, relation, and dating? Useful 5 tips here. Then check 5 exclusive guideline here. If you are a totally beginner and newbie, I will provide you one or two message template inside my video description, so guys don't worry. Okay, and check 5 exclusive guidelines here and put your landing page link here. Okay, now copy this message template and go here. and simply paste it and make send message. Okay, you can send message here and it's the link, and when this guy visit this link, you see here it's the landing page and you can promote this link very easily. It's the number one traffic sources, and I want to repeat once again. Go the browse section, then browse your guy, targeted United States guy, then open any of the guy from here. If you see the private account, then close it, or if you see the public account, then send message. Click the send message, then just copy and paste your message template and send it. That's it. Okay, that's it. Now the second free traffic sources, and it's Tumblr. Okay, another popular platform for promoting love related guidelines. Go here and search here dating. Okay, then you will get a lot of dating related posts here, a lot of dating related posts, a lot of dating, love relation and dating related posts. Then you can open any of the post. You see here 190 people likes it. Find out all these 190 people, then open any of the guy. Okay, open any of the guy. Okay, open here. You see, open this guy and go here this sign, and you can send message option here. You see here this guy, just the same message template, copy and paste and send it. Okay, that's it. Okay, another guy here, just go here and make a simple message, the same message template, and I recommend you to. Okay, that's it. And I recommend you to write 4 or 5 message template for applying this method. So guys, if you really like this tutorial, like this method, then like it, and if you have any question, then comment in the comment box. And if you first time inside my YouTube channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadro and hit the notification to be the first viewer all of my new videos, new updates inside my YouTube channel. And if you want to grab 10 income increasing bonuses for free, then check my video description. And if you want to join my personal training program, and if you want to make money on CPA marketing, ClickBank, Zebizu, Warrior Flash, and many other high ticket programs, then join any of my training program inside my video description. So guys, that's it. God bless you. Take care. Bye.